Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Paystack integration on a website to take payments instead of Stripe. Because in some countries, for example in Africa, or I think in Nigeria, they don't allow using Stripe. But anyway, Stripe bought Paystack. So, I mean, the way it works, the code is pretty much similar. But for example, right now, it's not supported by Webflow. So you need to hard code it by yourself if you want to do it like that. Anyway, linked in the description. I mean, you should just code this stuff if you want to have like just one-time payments. If you want to have plans, recurrent payments on your website is a little bit more complicated, but not that much. You can always check the description. So you can check the docs. You could just copy this and it would work. I mean, if you do that, you will end up with something like where is the demo? Demo. Check the live demo, blah blah blah. Here we go. So you place an email, albero, whatever, and basically would load, okay, easily. Well, we already did something similar with reply, with replit.com. If you want access to these, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll share it. Anyway, basically, you have one bill, Luke, and then a number, some random numbers, and a bill at skywalker.com. Enter. I have every detail. If I click on success, then I'll see a new transaction in my transaction here in transfers. But anyway, you can try to pay, and bam, that's paid. So it works. This little bit of JavaScript to make it run. You just need to copy your in the main dashboard. If you go to get started, you just need to copy the secret and the public key that for now I'm gonna keep private. That's it. I hope you liked the video and I see you in the next one. If you have any questions,